Good day, everybody. Welcome to today's video. Today's video, I got a 2007 Arctic Cat 650H1, and as you can tell, we got a pretty nasty fender repair to do here. So we're gonna do some plastic welding, and this is a new style of plastic welder that I picked up. And what's different with this one is why I want to try it. Picked it up off Amazon. Is that this one is designed to put these metal pins in for strength. Because over the years I've just been using plastic rod, plastic sticks, and as you can tell, hasn't really worked that good. So I'm hoping using these should work out pretty good to hold it together better. Looks like it's pretty simple. Insert it, hold the trigger to get hot, melt it through. I don't know. What do you guys think? Is it gonna work? We're about to find out. Use a scraper to try to clean up as much of this as I possibly can. Tried plastic welding it so much over the years with different type of filler rods and crap, and nothing has really stuck out and I guess really held her together. And as you can see right here, none of it really sticks either. It's plugged in. Let's get a bunch of these little squigglies out, and I guess they just go in there. I guess you just hold it. Let's see what happens. Oh yeah, it goes like red hot. And then we're going in. That is pretty sweet. So that's very cool. Just melts itself in. Wow. This actually works better than I thought. I wasn't sure how this was going to play out. Let's be carefully. I don't know if that end's going to be hot or not. Right down there. Wait for it to get red hot. Put it in. Let it sit for a few seconds so it cools down. Pull it out. I don't know if I'd say this is mind-blowing, but it is definitely very cool. Red hot. So that's all in there. Super solid too. And we just go around cutting everything off. Make sure you wear eye protection. All the pins are welded in, and I threw some plastic over top. It's not the cleanest. Doesn't really sand all that good, and I find that plastic welding really doesn't do all that good of a job. It just basically, I'm just kind of filling the seams until I hit the next thing and break all those metal staples out. But that being said, this kit actually works really good. Heats up these red hot, and then it goes into the plastic, keeps it together, super firm. Like, it's solid now. And these are cheap too, inexpensive. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions or comments, post them below. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next one.